I don't mind. I just wanna. Oh wait, wrong way. I just like. It's long now. I'm gonna put the car on it. I'm gonna get closer up. Oh, and we got a switcher too. So long. I'm gonna speed it up. Max speed. If only trains were this fast in real life, then traffic would be better.
Oh, the train is long. First I thought you were so long. The train
Switch the thing. Use the switcher, Mom.
Use the switcher?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh, got it. Switched. Is it gonna derail?
I'm not gonna derail it, I'm just gonna show it off.
Okay, switch.
Eventually that'll be useful.
Switch it back?
Yeah, you can switch it back. I mean, I'm pretty sure this train switches it back anyway when it goes over it.
Oh, really?
I've tested with the caboose.
Oh, I did that.
But it might actually cause some problems if,
Oh, like
you know.
removing it from the wheels from the track, possibly?
Man,
Yeah.
watched all about how the flag signaling first started.
Oh my gosh, we started watching it.
That had to have been more stressful than air traffic control, but it is now. Like,
Yeah. People could die.
whole train and billions of dollars of the millionaires. Those could be
we were
broken.
watching-
It's even worse.
We were watching a documentary type of catastrophe that happened on a train, and then they were explaining it on there. But it wasn't even about that.
Why are companies reluctant to like clean up their oil spills and stuff? It's like
By the way, you're
you
being
have,
recorded.
like, servants that have servants that have servants, and it's like
Servants that have servants? Is that what you said?
yeah. It's too much.
I'm gonna have the thing.
Something went on the track. What is that?
It's a thing I was trying to use.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video now. Say bye.
You see this guy derail it?
No, he wasn't gonna.
No, it's gonna be too much work to put it back together, Robbie.
We just spent like 15 minutes putting everything back on the track with
Yeah.
everything.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video.